Reloc systems can present several problems and considerations when used in commercial and industrial lighting. In commercial lighting, installation can be challenging. Reloc systems often require specialized tools and training for proper installation. If they are poorly installed, hazards like loose fittings and exposed wiring can occur. Maintenance can also be difficult because Reloc systems can make it hard to access and service fixtures, especially in high ceilings or hard-to-reach areas. Compatibility issues are another concern, as not all fixtures are compatible with Reloc systems, potentially leading to performance problems or safety concerns. In industrial lighting, there are environmental considerations. Reloc systems can accumulate dust and debris, interfering with fixture performance and creating fire hazards. Durability is another issue. The constant movement and repositioning of fixtures in industrial applications can put stress on Reloc systems, which could lead to premature failures. Cost is also a factor. Reloc systems are typically more expensive to install and maintain compared to traditional piping and whips. Other issues involve code compliance. Some built-in codes do not allow or restrict the use of Reloc systems due to safety concerns. Warranty limitations may also exist because manufacturer warranties might not cover fixtures used with Reloc systems or damaged due to improper installation or maintenance. Several common code requirements are applicable. The National Model Safety Code, the NMSC, suggests using a whip for wiring luminaires. Reloc systems may be allowed with specific conditions like proper support and protection. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, generally does not prohibit the use of Reloc systems. However, installation must comply with applicable electrical safety standards. There are alternatives to Reloc systems. Firstly, piping and whips offer a more traditional method that provides secure and durable connections. Secondly, pre-wired fixtures come with pre-installed whips, eliminating the need for additional wiring. Thirdly, flexible cord sets can be used for temporary or portable fixtures, providing some flexibility in repositioning. In conclusion, Reloc systems can offer some advantages in certain applications, but they also come with a number of potential problems and limitations. Before deciding whether to use Reloc systems, carefully consider the specific requirements of the project, including code compliance, maintenance concerns, and cost implications. Considering installation challenges, firstly, specialized tools and training are crucial for the proper installation of Reloc systems. Without this, poorly installed systems can lead to hazards such as loose fittings and exposed wiring. Secondly, maintenance difficulties arise because Reloc systems can make accessing and servicing fixtures challenging, especially in high ceilings or hard-to-reach areas. Thirdly, compatibility issues exist because not all fixtures are compatible with Reloc systems. This incompatibility can result in performance problems or safety concerns. In an industrial setting, environmental concerns take precedence. Reloc systems have the potential to accumulate dust and debris, which can interfere with fixture performance and even create fire hazards. Furthermore, durability issues surface due to the constant movement and repositioning of fixtures in industrial applications, placing stress on Reloc systems and possibly leading to premature failures. Cost considerations are also crucial. Reloc systems are typically more expensive to install and maintain than traditional piping and whips. Compliance with codes is paramount. Some building codes either do not allow or restrict the use of Reloc systems due to safety concerns. Additionally, warranty limitations exist, as manufacturer warranties may not cover fixtures used with Reloc systems, especially if damage occurs due to improper installation or maintenance. The National Model Safety Code, the NMSC, suggests using a whip for wiring luminaires. Reloc systems may be permitted under specific conditions, such as ensuring proper support and protection. The National Electrical Code, the NEC, generally does not prohibit the use of Reloc systems, but any installation must adhere to applicable electrical safety standards. Alternatives to Reloc systems include piping and whips, which offer a traditional method providing secure and durable connections. Pre-wired fixtures, which come with pre-installed whips, eliminate the need for additional wiring. Flexible cord sets can be used for temporary or portable fixtures, offering flexibility in repositioning. Before making a decision, evaluate the specific requirements of the project, considering code compliance, maintenance concerns, and cost implications. Considering the specialized tools and training required, firstly, Reloc systems necessitate expertise for proper installation. Without this, poorly installed systems can lead to hazards like loose fittings and exposed wiring. Secondly, maintenance difficulties can impede access and servicing, particularly in high ceilings or hard-to-reach areas, hindering maintenance efforts. Thirdly, compatibility issues arise from not all fixtures being suitable for Reloc systems, potentially causing performance problems or safety concerns. Within industrial environments, environmental concerns become prominent. Accumulation of dust and debris within Reloc systems can interfere with fixture performance and pose fire hazards. Durability issues stem from continuous movement and repositioning, which stresses Reloc systems, possibly leading to premature failures. Cost considerations show Reloc systems typically being more expensive to install and maintain than traditional alternatives. Code compliance must be adhered to, as some building codes either prohibit or restrict Reloc systems due to safety concerns. Additionally, warranty limitations should be checked. Manufacturer warranties might not cover fixtures used with Reloc systems, especially if damage occurs due to improper installation or maintenance. The NMSE advocates for using whips for wiring luminaires, but Reloc systems might be allowed under specific conditions such as ensuring proper support and protection. The NEC doesn't generally prohibit Reloc systems, but installations must adhere to relevant electrical safety standards. Consider alternatives, such as piping and whips, which offer secure and durable connections. Pre-wired fixtures eliminate the need for extra wiring by providing pre-installed whips. Flexible cord sets offer temporary or portable fixture positioning flexibility. Therefore, evaluate the project's unique demands, considering code compliance, maintenance issues, and cost implications before implementation. Focusing on the necessary expertise for installing Reloc systems. Firstly, specialized tools and training are required for proper installation. Secondly, safety hazards arise from poorly installed systems, leading to risks from loose fittings and exposed wiring. Thirdly, accessing and servicing fixtures is made difficult, especially in elevated or hard-to-reach spaces. Compatibility issues present a problem, as not all fixtures work seamlessly with Reloc systems, which may lead to reduced performance and safety risks. In industrial environments, dust and debris accumulation presents environmental concerns by affecting fixture performance and creating potential fire hazards. Continuous movement and repositioning can affect the durability of Reloc systems and may lead to premature failures. Financial aspects show that Reloc systems are pricier to install and maintain compared to traditional options like piping and whips. Code restrictions in certain building codes impact the use of Reloc systems due to safety considerations. Warranty coverage becomes a concern, as using Reloc systems can limit manufacturer warranties for fixtures. NMSC suggests using whips for wiring luminaires while possibly allowing Reloc systems with conditions like adequate support and protection. NEC usually permits Reloc systems when installations meet electrical safety standards. Alternatives to Reloc systems include secure piping and whips, pre-wire fixtures that remove extra wiring, and flexible cord sets for easily movable fixtures. Consider project requirements, codes, maintenance, and costs before adopting Reloc systems. Examining the installation process of Reloc systems. Firstly, specialized tools and training are essential. Without them, installation errors can lead to safety hazards like exposed wiring. Secondly, accessibility is significantly reduced because accessing fixtures for maintenance is difficult, especially at high elevations. Thirdly, compatibility issues limit the range of usable fixtures with Reloc systems. In industrial environments, there's a risk of dust and debris accumulating which affects performance and increases fire hazards. Frequent adjustments and repositioning can affect durability and cause failures. Cost analysis shows that Reloc systems are more expensive than traditional setups. Code compliance may restrict the use of Reloc systems due to safety regulations. Warranty conditions may exclude damages related to Reloc systems. NMSC suggests using WIPs and permit Reloc systems only when properly supported and protected. NEC allows Reloc systems if electrical safety standards are met during installation. Alternatives include traditional piping, pre-wired fixtures, and flexible cord sets for adjustable setups. Evaluate the project's specific needs considering these limitations. When starting with Reloc systems, specialized training and tools are needed for proper fitting because improper installation poses safety risks. Maintenance becomes a problem because accessibility is limited, especially in hard-to-reach spots, and compatibility is restricted by only supporting specific fixtures. Environmental issues are raised by the build-up of dust and debris. Continuous movement affects durability. Initial costs are higher. Safety codes need to be followed and warranty conditions reviewed. NMSC and NEC offer guidelines and alternatives such as using flexible cords. Evaluating the project's needs is essential before implementation. Focusing on installation requirements, specialized tools and knowledge are needed. Safety is paramount and incorrect assembly creates risks. Access for maintenance can be hard. Compatibility limits the types of lights one can use. Industrial environments deal with dust. Constant repositioning affects the Reloc system's lifespan. Reloc systems have high installation and maintenance costs. Compliance with safety regulations is essential. Warranty concerns may arise from the use of Reloc systems. NMSC suggests using a WIP. NEC permits Reloc systems when safety standards are met. Alternatives include pipes and flexible cords. A final decision should only be made when all the needs have been considered. Exploring the installation of Reloc systems. Firstly, proper knowledge and specialized tools are needed. Secondly, safety hazards can arise from incorrect installation. Thirdly, maintenance is difficult. Compatibility is a consideration. Thus, in industrial settings, long-term durability, high costs, compliance with safety codes, and understanding warranty conditions are key points. Alternatives such as flexible pipes offer safety. Proper support and safety are often required. Evaluation before choosing this type of system is critical. Examining specialized tools and necessary training requirements for Reloc systems. Incorrect installation can be very risky. Maintenance may be difficult. Compatibility problems can arise, leading to safety and performance issues. Industrial settings need to consider environmental elements. The durability of these systems needs to be considered. Costs can be higher with these systems. Following strict building codes is crucial. Warranties may have limitations. National safety codes may suggest other options. Electrical codes need to be followed. Alternatives may provide safer or more flexible solutions. The details of the project should be reviewed before choosing this system. When thinking about Reloc systems, proper installation is very important. Safety is a huge concern if installed incorrectly. Maintenance can be difficult to do. Not all components are compatible. Industrial sites have to be aware of dust and debris. How long will it last? How much will it cost to maintain? Following the proper electrical codes is vital. Warranties have to be considered. There are alternatives available. Be sure to evaluate all options before deciding. Initial installation requires specific knowledge. Safety should be the main consideration. Is maintenance easy to perform? Is everything compatible? Is it dusty in the work environment? How durable is the system? Costs should be evaluated. Codes should be followed. Are there warranty restrictions? Flexible alternatives may exist. A careful examination should be performed.